In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut in just 5 minutes. Capcut is a fantastic video editing app that's available on both iPhone and Android, and it's incredibly user-friendly. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create amazing videos using this tool. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to your App Store and download Capcut. Once you've installed it, open up the app and you'll be greeted by its clean and intuitive interface. It's designed to be accessible to beginners while still offering more advanced tools for those who are familiar with video editing. Now we're ready to start a new project. Tap on the new project option and this will allow you to begin editing. This is your blank canvas where you can unleash your creativity. Once you're in, Capcut will prompt you to select videos or photos from your device's gallery. Think of the timeline in Capcut as your workspace. It's where you'll manage and organize your video clips. This is an important step because selecting the right media is key to a successful edit. Next, take a look at the bottom toolbar. This is where all your editing tools are located, and it's the backbone of your editing process. You can trim your video clips to cut out the unnecessary parts. Splitting clips is a great way to create multiple sections within a single video, which can help you rearrange scenes or add pauses where needed. Adding text can enhance your storytelling. Maybe you want to introduce your video with a title or add captions for clarity. Music sets the tone, so explore Capcut's music library to find the right track to accompany your visuals. Filters are fantastic for setting the mood or style of your video. And don't forget effects, which can add that extra flair, transforming ordinary clips into something spectacular. Once you've made your edits, always preview your work. By pressing the play button, you can watch your video from start to finish and ensure everything flows smoothly. It's your chance to catch any small tweaks you might want to make before finalizing. And finally, when you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Tap the export button located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Capcut gives you the option to save your creation to your device or share it directly on social media platforms. This step is quick and seamlessly integrates your video into places where your audience can appreciate it. There you have it, editing on Capcut in just 5 minutes. With practice, you'll find that Capcut can help turn your ideas into polished, professional-looking videos. Enjoy exploring the endless possibilities this app offers, and happy editing.